What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are installing coilovers on the Civic. So let's get right into this. So I got these coilovers from Affordable Turbo Kits. They also sell coilovers, so I don't think it's really on their website, but Dustin, the owner of Affordable Turbo Kits, can pretty much get his hands on anything and most likely get you a good deal on stuff. So I would highly recommend getting all of him and getting stuff for anything for your Honda or Acura that you need. But in today's video, we're going to get the Civic down a little bit, which actually I probably should wait to do this, honestly, because I got my VMS wheels coming today, but I don't have tires for them yet, so they're not going to go in the car anyway. But I've already got it kind of jacked up a little bit. This thing's really high. I built these stands for when I had my C10, and I'm using them on the Civic, so it's got the Civic way higher than it needs to be. So I have, like, everyone knows the struggles there. But let's get to peeling these wheels off. I only have okay, that's all loose. Wow, this car needs a lot more than I remembered. This is all gonna have to come back off again anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead. I want to put these coilovers on and just get right to it. I believe they're 14, but honestly, now that I think about it, they're a 12. No, they are 14. Boom, and that's the front. Now, I'm obviously going to have to readjust this for when we go to put it all back together. I don't think I've ever seen that before on there. That's cool, I guess. That's it. That's the front one. But I am going to tighten up over on the whoever did this to this car last. Probably me. No, because this car ran and drove, from what I understand. This car did run and drive before. All right, well, there's that one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel on because the only thing holding this car up right now is that jack stand. If I'm jacking something up from the side of the car, I like to go right where that seat brace is. It's like somewhere right in almost the center of the door, just so you don't fold the floor up when you go to jack it up like this. Perfecto. takes about 20 minutes, 30 minutes at the max if you don't have to adjust anything. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this car off the jack stands or whatever, because I gotta move it Sunday, and I'm already this far, so I might as well just keep going. But golly, go to Affordable Turbo Kits, message Dustin Legan, and tell him what you want, what you need. I'm sure he can figure out a way to get you whatever it is. So with that being said, that is coilovers on a 92 to 95 Civic hatchback or coupe or four-door or whatever. Also difference from 94 to 01 Integra. So I want to thank you guys for tuning back in, and keep updated for the next video. Peace.